Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning, which is my favorite morning of the week because essentially it means that Sunday is still yet to come. Today is going to be a lovely day. I'll mainly probably spend the morning just at home, but then I'm also going training in the afternoon and I'm really excited about that.
Yes, my closet is a bit of a mess. There's just too much stuff. I've made it to the studio and it is currently raining outside, which means it's the ultimate cozy vibes and I actually really love that. I put in a really cozy outfit today. Long bottoms, long sleeve sweater. I feel like in summer I never get to really layer off, so I actually really enjoy it. I feel so cozy. So let's get training. I'm gonna do hoop today, which I'm quite excited about. Okay. I've rigged it really low today because I want to do some chill, slow flow, and I think having it low is going to be really nice for that.